Hold the book up. Show us the book. What is that called?
Pig, Pig, and Little Pig.
And what did you do with this book?
Read the whole book.
You read the whole book?
Yeah.
Did you read the whole book by yourself?
Yeah.
What was it about?
Big Pig and Little Pig.
What did they do?
Make a pool.
They made a pool. You know what?
What?
I'm very proud of you for reading that book.
Oh.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Well, cool. I'm glad you liked it. Do you think you want to read another book?
Yeah.
Can you look at the camera and not the TV?
I want to watch TV. I want to watch this part.
Okay, well say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.